But no issues, no issues. We'll continue with this. Don't worry. We'll go with the same timings. Which batch? New batch. If I'm starting a new batch after this batch itself. So once after this batch is completed, then only I can start a new batch. Yes. So can we go for the next module? Yes. So the next module which we are dealing with, according to the flow, what we have learned. What is the flow? What is there? Workflow. What is the workflow we have seen? So according to the workflow which we have seen previously, so according to that, we'll be working on potential module. Correct? We'll be working on potential module, but here we have a logic. But we have a logic. If I want to create a potential, I have to create one contact and account. Correct? I have to create one account and contact. Correct? So here what we will do, we will go to create a contact first, then account next, then we'll be going for creating a potential. Clear everyone? Then we'll be going for potential. Yes, is it clear? First we'll be creating contact, then account, then potential. Yes. Now I'll be clicking on contacts major tab. I'll be clicking on contacts major tab. So when I click on contacts major tab, Jyoti, so if I want to create a potential, I have to create one contact and account to Jyoti. Okay, if I want to create it, I have to create one contact and account. Why? Because in creation, this account name is mandatory. Account name is mandatory. That is the reason we have to create it. Okay. Yes. So now I want to create a contact. Click on contacts major tab. When I click on contacts major tab, contact list page will be displayed. Click on new contact button. When I click on new contact button, create contact page will be displayed. Create contact page will be displayed. Now I have to enter the lead source. So I'll enter the lead source. How I got the lead? I'll enter it as cold call. Next, the first name of the lead, I'll enter this. Lead name. Anyone name? Yes, cold call means, huh? Arjun, very good. Arjun. So cold call means what means? See, in what is this? What we call till now, I have not given my number to any of the real estate people. Okay, I have not given my number to real estate people, but still real estate people are able to call me. They'll be telling, sir, we have a fantastic site, sir, which is 2 kilometers, which 30-40 sites are east facing, sir, 2 kilometers away from school, hospital, airport, a national highway is beside. Correct. They will be telling all those things. And sometimes Geo will call you. Geo. So we are launching a new offer. Previously, you are using 399. Now, if you take to what is this? 499, you will get 1 GB 1 GB extra per day. So that means you will be having 2.5 to 3 GB per day. So this is what they will tell. These are the intent. So you how they are getting the contacts means. So when you go to this shopping malls and all, there they will keep lucky draws. Yes. So you will be taking lucky draw after 1 month, or you will be getting car, all those things. They will take your details, correct? They will sell those details to these fellows. Now I'm going to get calls. Those kind of calls are called as cold calls. Okay, Rashma. Everyone understood what is cold call? So to promote their product, they'll be calling you. That's it. That's it. Okay. So now I'll give it as Arjun, and the last name is yes, yes. It's a kind of advertisement, correct? So I'll be giving it as Reddy, Arjun Reddy. Next, account name. Guys, have we created account name till now? Have we created account till now? No. So it is optional also, yes or no? So right now leave it. Right now leave it. And vendor name. I have to give the vendor name. Have we created vendor also? Have we created vendor also? No. So right now leave this. Okay, leave accountant vendor. Next, email address of this particular potential Arjun at the rate gmail.com. Next, title. So what is the title? HR manager. So department, which department he belongs to? HR department. Phone number. I have to give the phone number 225566. Home phone 445566. Other phone. So many phones are there. Fax. Right now we don't have. Mobile number 9867452301. Date of birth. So I have to give the date of birth that is particular fellow. Number 5. Assistant. So now, in case if this fellow is not available, in case if he is not available, I should call him. I should call his assistant. No, why? Because there is some emergency regarding the product. He is buying product to me. I want to contact to that person. He is not available. I should call assistant. So now I have to give assistant. Sai is assistant. Assistant phone number I have to give. So 8976452310. Reports to whom I have to send? Accounts team. So I have to send reports to accounts team. Next, address information I have to give. So yes, just scroll down. Address information: Mailing Street, BTR, City, Bangalore, Karnataka, 590016. Code, India, country. So I have to give. Now again, I need to enter other street, other city, other state, other zip, other country. Correct. Instead of that, I have a copy address here. Can everyone able to see this copy address? Everyone is able to see this copy address. Click on this drop down. You will be getting two options: mailing to others, others to mailing. So where we have filled the address, mailing others are others. So where we have entered mail to others. Yes, fantastic. So mailing to others, I'll select. Now can you see that there is a what is this? Whatever details we have filled, it is taken automatically. Yes, after entering all the details, I need to click on save button. I'll be clicking on save button. So when I click on save button, contact details page will be displayed, and whatever contact we have created here, it will be displayed in recent items and contact list page. It will be displayed in contact list page. So create contact to recent items and contact list page. Clear everyone? Clear with this? Yes. So can you create a contact now? Yes. So create a contact, write the data flow, and do the operations of edit, delete, clone, and print preview. Sorry, restore. Okay. So what we are doing, we are just entering the details. Yes or not? Wait, what happened? Yes, he is a new potential, Abhilasha. See here. See, sometimes what will happen, directly we'll go to showroom and we'll buy the things. So I want to buy a phone, I'll go to showroom and I'll buy a thing directly. Yes or no? Yes. So now what happened, without becoming a lead, I can become potential. Without becoming a lead, I can become a potential. Yes or no? Correct. Without becoming a lead, I'm a potential. But in order to save my details, they have to create what? Account and contact. Understood? So is another potential apart from Raja Babu. Yes, Raja Babu is different, Arjuna is different. Okay. Yes. Yes, yes. Assistant is the person who we can call other than if he is not available, so whom I can contact. If main customer is not available, to whom I can contact is assistant. Okay. Yes. So create a contact. After creating a contact, write the data flow and go for edit also. Go for edit. Yes, Rajani. Correct. Yes, mail it to others. You need to select. Click on the drop down switch. Select from mailing to others. Whatever address you have given. If you have given in mailing, select from mailing to others. If you have given in others, select from others to mailing. If it is done, go for edit, delete, restore, and all.
Jyoti, you can go for phone numbers or something else. See, in companies to which whom you have to send this particular reports, to whom you have to which team you have to send. I will be sending it to accounts. Raja Babu is different person. Arjun is different person. Company is also different. Okay. Yes. Write the data flows also. Yes, Shubham. Because it will work. You might be selecting wrong thing or else address is not given. If you have given address, then only it will be this. So as a destination, we need to fill in all the details. Yes, Abhilash. Abhilasha? Yes, Abhilash. Instead of filling it again, we are just doing Badrika. See, initially we have a rule that you should test the application with positive. So once you have tested with positive, then after your wish. Contact name is a person who's the opposite person we are contacting. Contact owner in the sense that contact belongs to me. That means that fellow contact I have got. So that means I am the owner of that contact. Okay. So here we are, as we are creating the contact with Rashmi, so Rashmi is the owner of the contact. Yes, contact is also separate module. Surajo, just go for what is this? Edit, delete, clone, and restore, and write the data flows for that. No, Rashi is a sales manager. Rashi is a manager. Yes, contact is also a separate one module, Pavitra. Go to restore, recycle bin. Go to recycle bin. Srivatsava, customer asked, we gave, that's it. Customer asked that feature, we gave. Clone. So whatever it is there, see, that is what I've told you. So many times we don't know what to do here. We don't know why it is useful. But a customer, he's a salesperson, he need. As he asked that one, I need to check the data flow, I need to check the components because I'm a test engineer. Understood? Okay. So customer is asking many features. As a person who don't have any knowledge on sales and marketing, I may not know why it is useful when I am going to use. But I have a knowledge of testing. I know how to test that component. That is more than enough. Clear, everyone? Yes, convert option and find and merge you will be having only in leads module. Only in leads module you will be having. You will not be having in any other module. Why? Why? Because customer asked. Simple. In interview also, if the interviewer asks, oh, how this feature is useful, what is the use of this feature? Tell them, sir. If you know, tell them the answer. If you don't know, tell them, sir, it is asked by the customer. We gave the feature and I have tested the data flow. Explain the data flow. Explain the components. That is enough. Understood, everyone? Clear? Yes. Yes. Find and merge data flow is not required. You can just ignore. Reshma Sultana, just ignore, no issues. So that is what I've told you. Don't take too much of data flows. It will be complicated. Okay. So we'll make it as simple as that. Okay. Don't worry. So whatever it is required, I'll teach you. Don't worry. No, feature. Pavitra, it is a separate feature, not module. Guys, you will not be having find and merge in option in here. You will not be having find and merge here. I'll tell you the difference. While starting with the second project, I'll tell you what is module, what is feature, everything I'll tell you. Okay. Yes, we are just understanding the project right now. Later we'll be testing. Okay. Sriram. Sriram's traveling. So remember me at the end of the class. So shall I write the data flow? Shall I write the data flow? Yes.
Yes. So I'll write the data flow. Just check whether you have written the correct data flow or not. Next, if I want to clone in the same data flow, which is recent items and contact list page.
Yes. So this is the data flow what we have. Just do with this.